Hi, I'm Astita Pragna, and I met Rakeshji a week before my 12th grade exams, and we had a session of around 5 hours, a very descriptive session where he explained, various things about my brain and what would, go well with me and my personality, and what wouldn't really, is not my thing, or I shouldn't concentrate more on that things because it's not my strong areas. So after I came back from the whole session, it was very self-reflecting because I got to know a lot of new things about myself, and as well as things that I already know, but it wasn't really like, I didn't feel the importance or the significance of that specific talent or anything of that sort in myself. I think it really helped, and I am a physics, chemistry, math (PCM) student, and my major was I was supposed to be taking engineering. That was I was planning to take engineering from 11th grade, but after the entire discussion with Rakeshji, we just came up with the conclusion that maybe architecture is something I should take up, and it'll come out very naturally because of my different aspects of my brains and my creativity and all of that. And but because I had very less time left, um, I wasn't sure, but I just thought I must give it a thought. And I thought maybe my interest I would shine better if I was an architect. So I just gave it a try, I just gave it a shot, and here I am. So I'll tell you about my results a little later. But what Rakeshji did was, along with just telling me how my brain is, he also told me what are the things I must practice, like on a daily basis, that would help me enhance the talent inside me. And one such thing was getting up early in the morning. He asked me to get up at 4:30 in the morning, which for me back then was near to impossible because I get up at the earliest I can get up is maybe 7 o'clock, but considering the climate also, so it was really hard for me in the beginning. But I just thought maybe I should like show my commitment, and I should really follow what he says, at least give it a try if it actually works, because the whole process seemed really new to me. I was just trying to see if this actually works. So I started waking up at 4:25 every morning from the very next day after the session. And along with just the brain profiling, Rakeshji was also like given us like extended support by asking me to like report every day when once I wake up. And he's been following up when I have exams, and blessing me, and wishing me luck and giving that emotional support. He's almost like a family member to us, and he's been really caring, and very very responsible. Like I can feel the responsibility he takes in my life, and I must really say he's made a big contribution to my success. So today incidentally is my 207th day of waking up early in the morning, and I don't regret it. And now that I've been used to get up in the morning, it isn't a big deal for me anymore, and it really helps you get what you want. Every small thing, just every small aspect just adds up to your success. So my results are like came out yesterday, and my JME paper 2, which is for an architecture paper, I got a 97.9 percentile, which is really good. Because I that was not my primary intention for architecture. I was concentrating more on NATA exams, but I had just 2 days to prepare for the JEE means, and I scored such a high percentile. And on my first NATA, I scored like a 134.5 on 200, and in my second NATA I scored a 152 on 200. So these are like really good scores, and considering the fact that I started from the very scratch, because I didn't know anything about architecture, but I knew that was my interest and I wanted to do something in that field. I started from the very scratch, and there was a lot of challenges because we had this whole COVID-19 thing going around, the quarantine, and there was shift of exam dates continuously. And actually they changed portions a lot in the middle, like they changed portions, and every time they changed portion I had to start studying from the very beginning. It was like a someone pushing me down every time I try to race, but I did not lose the confidence and hope in myself. I kept trying, and waking up in the morning really helped because it gave you that peace of mind and that clear thought, so you can work well in the morning as well as compare at the same time in the evening. So I think these aspects that Rakesh tell you about your brain and suggest things you must follow is really great. So from what I have understood, there are just a few things that I reflect upon. First is you need to have the confidence and consistency. You need to be really consistent in what you're doing. The second thing is every small thing, like every small habit or a discipline plays a very important role in adding up to your success. And the third thing is you need to believe in yourself. Like having self confidence and believing in yourself is really important, because imagine someone like me who decided to change a career path in such less time, and I had just a week before my boards, is something I don't think anyone else would try doing, because it's very risky. But because of the self confidence, I could achieve so much. And I really thank Rakeshji for all of this, and all of them who try to support me in this whole process. Thank you so much.